Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about some questions on virus. So these questions are helpful for different competitive exams. So please go through this video, and if you have any query please comment in the comment box. So, question number 1, cancer cells are more easily damaged by radiation than the normal cell because the options are they are undergoing rapid division, they are starved by nutrition, are different in structure, or none of these. And the answer is option C, that is cancerous cells are different in structure. As the cells are different in structure, it is easily damaged by radiation as compared to normal cell. Okay, so question number 2, viruses cannot multiply of their own because the options are do not have sex organ, lack genetic material, lack cellular machinery to use its genetic material, or none of above. As we all know, virus need a host body for its replication. So why he need a host body? Because the answer is option C. They lack cellular machinery to use the genetic material. As they lack cellular machinery, they need a host for replication. Next, question number 3. The virus which was first isolated among these four options, which virus is first isolated? The options are poliovirus, influenza virus, tobacco mosaic virus, and cyanophage. So, out of these four, the first isolate virus is option number C, that is tobacco mosaic virus. Question number 4, which one of the following statement about virus is not correct? Options are option number A, can multiply outside the living cell, can be cultured in a free cell-free medium, have an independent metabolism. Option number D, virus are facultative parasite. Multiply outside the living cell, cultured in a free medium, all are correct about virus, but option number D, viruses are facultative parasite, is not correct about virus. So the correct answer is option number D. Here is option number C, here also option number C, and here also option number C. Next, question number 5, which of following is true for virus? The options are they invariably contain DNA, they multiply only in host cell, they occur only inside bacteria, D, their genetic material is RNA, and the exact true answer is they multiply only inside the host cell, as I discussed in the slide number 1. Okay, next question. Which of the following statement is not true for retrovirus? The options are the genetic material in mature retrovirus is RNA. Retroviruses are causative agent or certain kind of cancer in men. DNA is not present at any stage in the life cycle of retrovirus, and the answer D option is the right answer. Retrovirus carries gene for RNA dependent DNA polymerase. Sorry, here the answer is DNA is present in any stage in the life cycle of a retrovirus. It is not true about retrovirus. Not contain DNA at any stage of life cycle. So, question number 7. Of the following, which will not grow on enriched agar? There are 4 options: bread mold, yeast, viruses and penicillium. Out of these 4, which is not grow on enriched agar medium? And the answer is B, that is yeast. Yeast is not grow on agar. Next, question number 8. Which of the following characters justifying living nature of virus? Multiplicity, mutability, capacity of a protein capsid. All are the characteristics that justify the virus. So, the answer, the option D is the right answer. Next, one important characteristic of virus is that, options are, what are the important out of these 4 important characteristic of a virus? Options are, can multiply outside the living cell, can be cultured in a free cell medium, have an independent metabolism, do not have independent metabolism. As we discussed that virus doesn't have any machinery, so do not have independent metabolism. Option D is the right answer. Question number D, it's a very easy question. Virus was discovered by one and only T. Ivanovsky. So option A is the right answer. Next, the tobacco mosaic virus was crystallized for the first time by, crystallized form of a tobacco mosaic virus was studied by W.M. Stanley. So option A is the right answer. Next, poliovirus contain the genetic material, especially here single stranded RNA, double stranded RNA, single stranded DNA, double stranded DNA, and the answer is poliovirus have the genetic material as RNA and it is single stranded RNA. Okay, next. Which of the following statement about virus is correct? The options are, virus possess their own metabolic system, virus contain either DNA or RNA, virus are facultative parasite, and virus are rarely killed by antibiotic. Own metabolic system absent, virus facultative parasite. It is also not true about virus. Virus are readily killed by antibiotic. So, it is not true, and the virus contain either DNA or RNA. In case of a virus, it have both DNA and RNA found as genetic material. So, option B is the right answer here. Next, virus responsible for AIDS is an example of adenovirus, mosaic virus, T-even virus and retrovirus, and the answer is virus responsible for AIDS is retrovirus. Next, viroid differ from virus in being naked RNA molecule, naked DNA molecule, naked DNA packaged with viral genome, and the last is satellite RNA packed with viral genome. Virus and viroid are differ as naked RNA molecule only. So option A is the right answer. Next, genetic material in a TMV, tobacco mosaic virus, have single stranded RNA. If you remember, it is something like and protein capsid or RNA likewise, and this is the single stranded RNA. So the answer is option B, that is RNA. Here we finish with 16 questions of virus, goes through it. If you have any query, you need any topic, question on any topic, you may comment in the comment box. Thank you.